Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to delete Snapchat story on an Android device. Well, knowing how to delete a Snapchat story is important if you want to remove a content that you no longer want to be visible to your friends or followers. And deleting a story allows you to maintain control over your content and ensure that only the content you want to be available is visible on your profile. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Snapchat app on your device. Well, and then here you can open your profile page at the corner. After that, scroll down to see your story. Well, so now you can delete it if you feel uncomfortable with your story. Tap on it, and then click the three dots at the top corner, and then select delete option here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to delete Snapchat story on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.